How to purchase games on Battle.net. Are you guys facing issues to purchase games on Battle.net application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To purchase games on Battle.net, first of all, open the app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply look at the bottom of the screen where you can see this option for shop icon. Just simply tap on shop. After you click on shop, search your games according to your preference. After you search for it, you will be able to see multiple game options in this section. However, it's taking a lot of time to load the games. Once you click on games, you need to just simply tap on it and click on purchase. After you click on purchase, there you can see multiple payment methods. Now just simply tap on games. After clicking games, you'll be forwarded to this interface. It's taking a lot of time. Wait for it to load up. So here you can see this option for buy now. Just simply tap on buy now. After you click on buy now, you can see multiple payment options over here. You can see this PayPal, Visa card, and many other options. Just simply select the one according to your preference. After you select it, you need to write down your card details. After you write it down, just simply tap on download. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna purchase a game on Battle.net. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.